How to hide subscribers on YouTube. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Chrome browser on your device and search for youtube.com. Make sure that you have toggle on the desktop site on your Chrome browser as well. And then make sure you're logged into your account. Now as you're logged into your account, tap on your profile at the top right corner of the screen and simply select on YouTube Studio. As you select on the YouTube Studio, it will take us to the studio.youtube.com page where you just have to wait until it loads the page fully. Now simply tap on the settings icon at the bottom of the screen. So at the bottom left, you can see the gear icon. Tap on it, and as you do that, select on the channel option. As you tap on channel, you can just tap on advanced settings and then scroll down to very end where you can see the option of manage YouTube account. Let's tap on manage YouTube account, and this will redirect us to the YouTube application. So simply what you can do over here is you will be able to see a new page where you have different options. Now under settings over here at the left side of the screen, you can see the option of privacy. So tap on privacy, and as you tap on privacy, you can see there are different options. So here under subscription, you can see it gives us the option to keep all subscriptions private. So right now it's toggled on, so you can just toggle on this option, and this is how you can hide the subscribers on YouTube. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.